Now you take these and they go here and here. Oops. Okay, now we build something else. So we can put this thing aside that we just built. Now we take this piece and we put the little circles on them again. Just like when we built the very first piece, like the sandwich, you put the little caps on the little prongs. Like that. And then you put these on top of them. Another one on top of that. Make another sandwich. Like I said earlier, smush really, really hard. And then you take these three things. And then you take one of the sticks, you put this up the stick, and you put this up here, and then this goes down the center, like so. And then you take this piece, then you put this black thing in it. No, those are little guns. Oh, those are cute. What do I put in there? Oh, these things. Gotcha. So take this orange thing, like that. Put the little black thing through. Gotcha. Makes sense. And now where do these go? Oh, look at those. And then we, oh God, touch the black things onto every one of those. Wowzers. Like that. Okay. Now we take this piece and this piece. Put that then you turn this, and that goes in this bottom piece here. Like that. And then you take this lumpy thing, where does this go?
So, how did it come along? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's look, the guys have little guns.
That's it?
No, we're not done yet.
Oh, cause that looks like the, I meant like, that's the whole point of the ship. It's a mini ship. How do they expect you to build that and play with it? Well, we'll play with that after.
How do... That makes it not stand up. Why would I do that? I'm so fluffy. Wait a minute, guys. Just thought of something. So... goes like that, right? Let me see. Think so, and then
Can the droids go
wait.
there?
Now give me the guys. I want to show you something super cool. Well, now this guy's he made.
This is a king.
Now you want to see something super cool?
Yeah.
See this gun?
Boom, boom, boom.
They have their own little guns.
Yeah.
That's freaking adorable.
Adores. Ooh, here's my gun.
Why is his arm sideways? Or did he return?
Here's my gun. A can of paint. Oh, sounds like a flashlight. Oh.
All of these guys' arms are weird.
The last.
Wait, Kirsten. Wait a second, darling. Stop doing stuff. Stop doing stuff. Kirsten,
What's that?
that's the thing we just built?
No, I meant like that.
I don't know. You have to wait. There's extra pieces, you know. It is a Lego set. I was trying to figure out why his arm is so weird. Wait, now, give me the other guy.
Yep. Sarah
You
and
put his legs on backwards.
Sarah and Duck.
You put his legs on backwards.
Sarah and Duck.
Now, we want the gun, yeah, we want the gun to go in like that.
Do you like Sarah and Duck?
1 second, honey, I need to find an arm that's like that. Yes, like you. Thank you. I literally just tried to put an arm on an arm. Come on, guys, left-handed. Okay, did we do it? I think we did. And by the way, Kirsten, the spot where they go is in this. Kirsten?
Okay, so we put them.
But wait, we gotta show them. So this is the beautifulness. God, this took like not even that long. Okay, where's my flashlight? My phone. I'll turn that on to show you guys. And I'll show you all the extra pieces. Because like every set, there's always extra pieces. So there was 2 extra arms, I believe. I'm not sure. Yes. There's 2 extra arms. So if, oh God, I'm sorry. So if one of your people loses an arm, there's 2 extras. Excuse me, Kirsten. There's an extra one of the little blue pieces. There's an extra cap, which you use a lot of, so those are actually really handy. Ooh, my leg. There's not an extra one on my leg. I'm sorry. There's no more extra stickers. I thought there was another little gray piece and a black piece. Kirsten, are we missing extra pieces? Wasn't there 2 more pieces? Kirsten. Oh, yes, it is. It's between your toes. And an extra gray piece. Now.
Are you sure this is a sticker?
Yes, I'm positive. Now here's the baby, the thing we just built.
Baby? What? You said baby.
I'm aware of that. Okay, so it's like this. Pew pew, I'ma shoot you in the face. pew. Here's it sideways. Now me and Karis were trying to figure out, oh my god, where did they go? We forgot about the little cubey things, which I totally just broke. I broke it already. Kirsten, I broke it. Kirsten, I broke it. Take it off your face. You're gonna hurt yourself, honey.
Guys, by the way, you could peel this off, but it's not a part to the shape. You could stick it on anything, but whatever your mom says. You could even stick it on the box. Even your dad's forehead. Oh, guys.
Kirsten, stop. No, seriously, I broke this. I'm trying to fix it.
No,
Okay. Now, like I was saying, we were trying to figure out where the guys go. Okay, stop.
Go there.
Not the sticker. It's not a sticker. I'm trying to show them something. I'm trying to get this light to set up good. I need you to stop before I, spaz. Can you move your leg over it, please, honey? Stop. You're moving it. We were trying to figure out where the guys go, and they go in this little thing, so you completely forgot about it. And now, I want to show you something that I find completely adorable. Because I'm stupid, you see.
What are you?
Or as I like to call it, intelligently challenged. And,
They can hold some guns. Mini guns.
You just ruined it, Kirsten. You ruined my life, man. Where they all kill little mini guns? I'm gonna shoot you in the face. I broke him. But look, I'm such a nice person. But look, there's two right-handed guys. Give me the other guy now. You broke it. What'd you do that for? Because I'm a nice person, I made a left-handed guy too. Pew in the face. Now we're gonna seriously. Now we're gonna test the theory to see if they can actually go in here. Okay? So we got it open. Now we're gonna take one little guy. Put his hand down. He's in there. One in. 1 of 3. Tell you guys, not very roomy. 2 in. 2 out of 3. See if the captain can get in. Success! They can all fit in there perfectly. And also, that's actually really good because all these extra pieces, you could put in there too. So I'm going to do that now. Got it. Yay, guys. So, what do you think this was, Kirsten? I think this was a very good success. What do you think?
Oh my god, I hate that.
What do you think?
I love it.
Why'd you just say you hate that? That's so rude, you fat cow.
Like that. I hate that.
Show?
Yeah, it looks so scary. I hate
Anyway,
it.
stop. That's not, they can't see it, so you need to stop. Come back, let's say goodbye. Come here, come here.
Wait.
Come on here and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Become a BFF today.
Like, comment, subscribe. Become a BFF
today. We might play without you guys, so
what do you think it was? Success? A failure? I think it was a success. How about you?
Failure.
Failure? No. Bye. Bye.